Hello, welcome to AutoCAD Adda, and my name is Hitesh Chaudhary. In the previous video, we learned about the basics of erase, move, and copy command. The link for the video can be seen on the top right corner of the screen. In this video, we will be learning the basics of trim, extend, and stretch command. The notes for this video are available for free in the description below. Before we start, click the subscribe button below to stay updated with the channel and press the bell icon so that you receive instant notification for new videos in this basic AutoCAD training series. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let us have a look at the trim command. So this command is used to get rid of any part of an object which is not required in your drawing. So for example, as you can see, I have drawn two rectangles and a circle which are connected. So supposedly, if I want to get rid of the rectangle part which is inside the circle, I'll be using the trim command for this. So for accessing the trim command, we have two different methods. Firstly, we can directly click on the trim tool over here, or we can type TR in the command window and we can press enter. So as you can see, our command has been activated. So I'll just move my mouse over the line that I want to get rid of. So I'll click here, click on this. So we can also click on multiple points, and to escape from the command we just need to press enter or the escape key. Now let us have a look at our second command, that is extend. This command is used to extend any part of an object. We can access this command in two different ways. Firstly, we can select extend tool under modify palette in the ribbon panel, or we can type EX in the command window and press enter. Once our command is activated, we just need to click on the object that is to be extended. So in my case, I want to extend this line. So I'll click here and on this line. Now it is to be noted that the part of the extended should have some barrier where it will end. So if I want to extend this line further, it will not get extended as it doesn't have any barrier above. Let us have a look at this small arc that I have drawn. I'll just click on an arc over here and you can see it is touching the line. I can also click on this side. Now if I again click here, it will make almost a circle but not a complete one. And to exit from the command, we need to press enter or the escape key. Next, let us have a look at our third command, that is stretch. This command is used to lengthen or shorten any object. Again, we have two different methods to access this command. Firstly, we can use stretch tool under modify palette in the ribbon panel over here, or we can type S in the command window and press enter. Once the command is activated, we then have to select the part of an object which needs to be stretched. In this case, as you can see, I have drawn an object on the screen and I need to stretch this object from the center. Now kindly note that the object should be selected using green window only, and the object will be stretched from the part where the green window will be crossing. So for this, I'll click outside the object and I'll just click over here. I'll press enter and select a reference point for stretching. I can stretch it and also I can shorten it. I'll click on the screen to apply once my requirement is met. Let's have a quick revision on whatever we have learned in this basic AutoCAD training tutorial 8. Firstly, we have seen the trim command. It is used to get rid of a part of an object which is not required. It can be accessed in two different methods. Firstly, you can use the trim tool from modify palette in the ribbon panel, or you can type TR in the command window and press enter. Once the command is activated, we then have to select the part of the object to trim. We can also select multiple parts of multiple objects at once. And to exit from the command, we can just press escape or the enter key. The second command that we had looked is extend. This command is used to extend any part of an object. Again, it can be accessed in two different methods. Firstly, you can use extend tool from modify palette in the ribbon panel, or you can type EX in the command window and press enter. Once the command is activated, we have to select the part of the object to extend. We can also click on multiple parts of multiple objects at once. Kindly note, the part to be extended should have some barrier, and to exit from the command, we can just press escape or enter key. At last, we have seen the stretch command. It is used to shorten or lengthen any object. It can be accessed in two different ways. We can use the stretch tool from modify palette in the ribbon panel, or we can type S in the command window and press enter. Once the command is activated, we have to select the part of the object to lengthen or shorten. Now kindly note that the object should be selected using green window only, and the object will be stretched from the part where the green window will be crossing. Next, we need to press enter and select a reference point for stretching and move the mouse in the direction of the stretching or shortening. Click on the screen to apply. Once the desired requirement is reached, please click on thumbs up for this video if you have liked the tutorial. Also share it with your friends. You can also have a look at the other tutorial videos appearing on your screen, and do share your feedback in the comments below, and also let me know which command you would like to learn. And as always, thanks for watching.